Alright, so I rebuilt the hydraulic unit at the Cub Fest, and I wanted to test it under a load and see if it would hold. Before, it would lift something up and it would lower down, come back up, lower down, come back up. And then towards the end, it was having a hard time even lifting stuff. So I hooked up this dirt plow underneath there to the draw, to flip the drawbar around. Hook this up, and so I'm just testing out. It looks like it's working. So here's the touch control lever. I'm gonna raise it up. You can see it's up off the ground. It's holding it, not even straining. Pump's not working. It's just holding it. So the rebuild was successful. Pretty cool, huh? I gotta check and make sure I got all this stuff right before I plow, but it looks like it's holding. Lower it down. Try it again. And fold it up. Excellent. Set it back down. Kill that. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Oh man, am I glad that that works.